and welcome back to Smart Farm Insight. Green chili peppers may look small, but they are one of the most widely cultivated vegetable crops in the world. Global chili and pepper production exceeds 36 million metric tons annually, with major producers including China, India, Mexico, Turkey, Indonesia, and the United States. In many regions, green chilies are not just ingredients, they are economic drivers for rural communities and essential components of global cuisine. From fresh markets and street food to processed sauces and canned products, green chilies travel a long journey before reaching our tables. Today we will follow that complete journey from planting and cultivation to harvest, industrial processing, final products, and the people behind this powerful crop. The life of a green chili plant begins long before fruit appears. It starts with soil. Chilies require loose, well-drained soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Poor drainage increases root diseases, while compacted soil restricts oxygen flow. Before planting, farmers plow the land and incorporate compost or balanced fertilizers, rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients support early vegetative growth and later fruit development. Seeds are usually sown in nurseries rather than directly in the field. This controlled environment protects young seedlings from heavy rains, strong winds, and pests. Over 4 to 6 weeks, seedlings develop strong stems and root systems before transplanting. Transplanting is a critical stage. Seedlings must be spaced correctly, often 30 to 50 centimeters apart, to ensure airflow and reduce fungal risk. In large-scale farms, mechanical transplanters increase efficiency and uniformity, allowing thousands of seedlings to be planted within hours. Green chilies thrive in warm climates between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Excessive heat above 35 degrees Celsius can reduce fruit set, while low temperatures slow growth. Farmers carefully monitor weather patterns to plan planting seasons accordingly. Irrigation defines productivity. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the root zone, reducing evaporation and preventing waterlogging. This method can reduce water usage by up to 40% compared to traditional surface irrigation. While maintaining consistent moisture levels essential for fruit formation. Fertilization continues throughout the growth cycle. Early nitrogen boosts leaf development. Later, potassium supports flowering and fruit firmness. Balanced nutrition directly influences yield, fruit size, and shelf life. Pest and disease management remains a constant challenge. Aphids, thrips, and fungal infections can reduce productivity significantly. Integrated pest management strategies combine biological controls and minimal pesticide application to maintain plant health while reducing environmental impact. Approximately 40 to 60 days after planting, the plants begin flowering. Pollination occurs naturally through insects and wind. Within 7 to 14 days, small green fruits begin to form. Over the next month, these fruits expand rapidly, developing the glossy green skin recognized in markets worldwide. Harvest timing determines quality. Green chilies are harvested before full ripening. If left too long, they turn red and develop a different flavor profile. Farmers evaluate size, firmness, and color. Harvest typically begins 70 to 90 days after transplanting, depending on variety and climate. Hand harvesting remains common because it minimizes plant damage and allows selective picking of mature fruits. Harvesting often takes place in early morning or late afternoon to protect fruit freshness and reduce heat stress. On large commercial farms, semi-mechanized harvesting tools assist workers, improving speed and reducing labor fatigue. However, delicate handling is essential. Bruised chilies deteriorate quickly and lose market value. Yields vary widely, but well-managed farms can produce 10 to 20 tons per hectare annually across multiple harvest cycles. After harvest, chilies must be transported quickly. Fresh green chilies are highly perishable with shelf life of only a few days without refrigeration. At processing facilities, green chilies undergo sorting and cleaning. Stems are removed and damaged. Fruits are separated. Clean water washes away soil and contaminants. Some chilies are destined for fresh markets. Others enter processing lines. In value-added production, chilies may be partially dried to reduce moisture before further processing. In certain processed products, chilies are fried briefly to enhance texture and preserve structure. This step also contributes to extended shelf life. For peeled chili products, outer skins are loosened through heat treatment, allowing workers or automated systems to remove skins and seeds efficiently. Precision is important to maintain uniform size and quality. Seasoning and marinating stages vary by product type. Chilies may be blended with brine oil vinegar or spice mixtures to create ready-to-eat products. Canning and packaging follow strict hygiene standards. Temperature control during sealing ensures product stability and prevents microbial growth. Quality inspections check texture, flavor, and packaging integrity before distribution. Global demand for processed chili products continues to grow. Export markets value consistent quality, food safety, certification, and reliable supply chains. Green chilies reach consumers in multiple forms: fresh whole chilies for cooking, frozen chilies for long-term storage, pickled or canned chilies for ready-to-eat applications, dried chili flakes and powders, specialty peeled and seasoned chili products. Nutritionally, green chilies are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and capsaicin, a compound associated with metabolic stimulation and anti-inflammatory properties. Their intense flavor allows small quantities to transform entire dishes. Beyond culinary uses, capsaicin extracts are used in pharmaceuticals and topical treatments, expanding the economic value of chili cultivation. Behind each harvest are farmers who manage climate risks, soil fertility, and fluctuating market prices. Chili farming supports millions of smallholder growers worldwide and contributes significantly to rural employment. However, the industry faces volatility. Weather extremes, pests, and market price fluctuations can affect farmer income. Mechanization and improved crop varieties help stabilize productivity, but adaptation remains constant. Sustainable practices, including drip irrigation, crop rotation, and integrated pest management, are increasingly adopted to protect soil health and reduce environmental impact. Green chili production is not just about spice. It is about resilience in farming systems and the ability to meet global demand consistently. From a tiny seed in a nursery to a bold ingredient in kitchens worldwide, The journey of green chili reflects precision care and innovation. Each stage, soil preparation, irrigation management, careful harvesting, industrial processing, and packaging plays a role in delivering quality to consumers. What seems like a simple green pepper carries months of labor planning and expertise behind it. The next time you add green chili to a dish, remember the fields where it grew, the farmers who tended it, and the factories that prepared it for your table. That is the full journey from seed to spice, from farm to flavor. Few crops have shaped global cuisine as profoundly as chili peppers. From the gentle warmth of mild varieties to the intense heat that defines entire regional cuisines, chili peppers are woven into daily meals, cultural identity, and international trade. Today, chili peppers are grown across vast agricultural regions, harvested by both hand and machine and processed into countless products, from dried spices to sauces consumed by millions every day. Yet behind their fiery flavor lies a complex agricultural system that balances biology, technology, and human labor. This is the full journey of chili peppers. A journey that begins with careful cultivation, moves through demanding harvests and industrial processing, and ends as finished products that travel across the world. The journey of chili peppers begins with land selection. Chili plants require warm temperatures, abundant sunlight, and soil that drains well while retaining enough moisture to support steady root growth. Fields are often chosen in regions with long growing seasons to maximize yield. Before planting, farmers prepare the soil deeply. Plowing and leveling remove compaction, allowing roots to expand freely. Organic matter is added to improve soil structure. While base fertilizers provide essential nutrients that support early plant development. Chili seeds are usually started in nurseries, rather than directly in the field. Controlled environments allow farmers to regulate temperature, humidity, and light, producing uniform seedlings with strong root systems. This step reduces early crop losses and improves consistency across large farms. Once seedlings reach the right size, they are transplanted into open fields. Modern transplanting machines place thousands of plants per hour with precise spacing. Correct spacing is essential, as overcrowded plants reduce airflow and increase disease pressure. As chili plants grow, their demands increase. Irrigation becomes a daily concern. Drip irrigation systems are widely used to deliver water directly to the root zone, reducing waste and preventing fungal disease caused by excess moisture on leaves. Nutrient management continues throughout the growing cycle. Nitrogen supports leaf and stem growth, phosphorus strengthens root systems, and potassium plays a critical role in fruit formation. Farmers adjust fertilizer schedules based on plant development and soil analysis. Pest and disease control is constant. Insects such as aphids and caterpillars can damage plants quickly, while fungal and bacterial diseases threaten entire fields. Integrated pest management strategies combine monitoring biological controls and targeted treatments to protect crops while minimizing chemical use. As plants mature, flowers appear, followed by the formation of chili pods. These pods grow rapidly, changing color as they approach maturity. This stage determines final yield, flavor, intensity, and market value. Harvesting chili peppers is a balance between speed and precision. Most varieties reach maturity within 2 to 3 months after transplanting, though timing varies by climate and cultivar. For large-scale production, mechanical harvesting plays an increasingly important role. Specialized machines move through fields, shaking or cutting plants so ripe peppers detach and fall onto conveyor systems. These machines dramatically reduce labor requirements and allow massive areas to be harvested in a short time. However, mechanical harvesting comes with challenges. Machines cannot perfectly distinguish ripe from unripe peppers, requiring additional sorting later. As a result, many farms use a combination of methods: machine harvesting for bulk production and hand harvesting for premium crops. Hand harvesting remains essential for fresh market chili peppers. Skilled workers select peppers by size, color, and firmness, ensuring only high-quality fruit is picked. Although labor-intensive, this method preserves appearance and flavor. Immediately after harvest, chili peppers are transported quickly to processing facilities. Fresh peppers deteriorate rapidly if left in the field, making logistics and timing critical. Once chili peppers arrive at processing centers, the agricultural journey shifts into an industrial phase. Peppers are washed thoroughly to remove dirt, dust, and field residue. Clean water systems and sanitation protocols ensure food safety. Automated sorting machines separate peppers by size, color, and quality. Optical scanners identify defects, allowing consistent grading for different market destinations. Drying is one of the most important processing stages. In many regions, traditional sun drying is still used. Peppers are spread across large drying yards where sunlight and airflow slowly reduce moisture content. This method preserves flavor and color while requiring minimal energy. For large-scale operations, industrial drying ovens provide controlled temperature and airflow. These systems allow faster, more consistent drying regardless of weather conditions. After drying, peppers move to milling facilities. Stems and seeds are removed, and the dried flesh is ground into fine powder using high-capacity grinders. Multiple screening stages ensure uniform particle size. Strict quality control is maintained throughout processing. Samples are tested for moisture, color, heat level, and contamination before approval. Chili peppers are transformed into a wide range of finished products. Chili powder is the foundation of countless spice blends used worldwide. Its flavor, color, and heat level vary depending on pepper variety and processing method. Fresh and dried peppers are also processed into chili pastes and sauces. These products combine chili with ingredients such as garlic vinegar, salt, and sugar. Cooking and fermentation processes enhance flavor while extending shelf life. Bottling and packaging are performed under controlled conditions. Products are sealed to protect against moisture, light, and air, ensuring consistency from batch to batch. Chili derivatives are also used in snack foods, ready-to-eat meals, and industrial food manufacturing, making chili one of the most versatile agricultural commodities. Behind every chili product is a vast human network. Farmers manage fields, monitor crops, and adapt to changing weather conditions. Field workers transplant seedlings, maintain irrigation systems, and harvest peppers under challenging conditions. Processing facilities employ machine operators, technicians, quality inspectors, and logistics teams. Their work ensures that chili products meet safety standards and reach markets efficiently. Chili farming also carries cultural importance. In many regions, chilies are central to local cuisine and identity. Knowledge of cultivation and processing is often passed down through generations. From an agricultural perspective, chili production reflects the evolution of modern farming. Research into disease-resistant varieties, mechanization, and sustainable practices helps the industry meet rising global demand. The journey of chili peppers is a story of transformation. From a small seed planted in warm soil to a powerful ingredient shaping cuisines worldwide, every step is guided by precision timing and human expertise. What appears as a simple spice on the table represents months of cultivation, complex processing, and coordinated global logistics. Behind every burst of heat lies an agricultural system built on knowledge, labor, and innovation. This is the hidden journey behind one of the world's most influential crops. Have you ever stopped to wonder how the crisp, colorful bell peppers on your plate begin their journey? From tiny seeds nurtured in controlled environments to advanced processing lines powered by cutting-edge technology, bell peppers travel a long and carefully managed path before reaching kitchens around the world. Each year, more than 36 million tons of bell peppers are produced globally, making them one of the most widely consumed vegetables in modern cuisine. Their vibrant colors, green, yellow, orange, and red, are not just visually appealing, but also reflect different stages of ripeness, flavor, intensity, and nutritional value. Behind every glossy bell pepper lies a story of agricultural precision, human dedication, and innovation. Today we explore that journey from soil to supermarket and uncover how bell peppers are grown, harvested, processed, and delivered at a global scale. The journey of bell peppers begins long before the plants ever reach open fields or greenhouses. It starts with careful seed selection, where growers choose varieties based on yield potential, disease resistance, fruit size, and color consistency. These decisions directly impact the quality and profitability of the final harvest. Seeds are first germinated in controlled nursery environments. Temperature, humidity, and moisture levels are closely monitored to ensure uniform sprouting. During this early stage, young seedlings are highly sensitive, requiring gentle watering and protection from temperature fluctuations. Strong seedlings form the foundation for healthy plants later in the season. Once these seedlings develop firm stems and a stable root system, they are transplanted into either open fields or greenhouse systems, depending on regional climate and farming strategy. In open field cultivation, soil preparation plays a critical role. Farmers loosen the soil to improve root penetration and enrich it with organic matter to enhance nutrient availability. Raised beds and plastic mulch are commonly used to stabilize soil temperature, retain moisture, and suppress weeds. Throughout the growing cycle, bell peppers require steady and balanced irrigation. Drip irrigation systems are widely used, delivering water directly to the root zone, while minimizing evaporation and runoff. Overwatering is carefully avoided, as bell peppers are sensitive to waterlogged conditions that can stunt growth or invite disease. Nutrient management continues throughout the season. Farmers adjust fertilization to support different growth stages from leaf development to flowering and fruit formation. Regular field inspections help detect early signs of pests or stress, allowing timely intervention to protect crop health. After weeks of meticulous care, the bell peppers begin to change color, a clear signal that harvest time has arrived. The timing of harvest is crucial. Peppers picked too early may lack sweetness, while those harvested too late risk losing firmness and shelf life. Depending on market demand, bell peppers may be harvested at different stages of ripeness. Green peppers are typically harvested earlier, while red, yellow, and orange peppers are allowed more time to fully mature and develop their characteristic sweetness. Modern harvesting is a combination of skilled human labor and advanced machinery. In large-scale operations, mechanical harvesters such as conveyor-based systems can process close to 1 ton of peppers per hour, significantly reducing labor intensity while maintaining quality. These machines are designed to operate across various terrains, raised beds, flat fields, and plastic mulched surfaces, ensuring flexibility and efficiency. Integrated conveyor belts lift peppers directly into collection bins or transport vehicles, reducing handling damage and time in the field. Despite mechanization, manual harvesting remains essential for premium produce. Skilled workers carefully select each pepper, ensuring proper size, color, and firmness before placing it into collection containers. Once bell peppers reach the desired size and color, harvesting begins. Timing is critical, as it directly affects flavor, texture, and shelf life. Harvesting is often carried out early in the morning or during cooler hours to reduce heat stress and preserve freshness. After being harvested, bell peppers are quickly transported to processing facilities to minimize quality loss. Speed is essential. Every hour counts when handling fresh produce. Upon arrival, peppers are unloaded carefully to prevent bruising and are immediately placed onto conveyor systems. The first processing step is thorough washing. Bell peppers pass through large water tanks or high-pressure spray systems designed to remove dirt residues and surface contaminants. Clean water circulation and filtration systems ensure hygiene standards are consistently met. After washing, peppers move through drying tunnels where excess moisture is removed. This step prevents spoilage and prepares the peppers for inspection and sorting. Sorting combines human expertise and advanced automation. Workers visually inspect peppers for defects, while machine vision systems analyze size, shape, and surface quality at high speed. Modern facilities often use AI-driven scanners capable of detecting minor blemishes that are invisible to the naked eye. Peppers are then separated by color and size, aligning them with market preferences. from fresh markets to food processors. After sorting bell peppers, move into their final preparation stages. The most common form is fresh, whole peppers, carefully packed into boxes for retail distribution. These are destined for supermarkets, restaurants, and wholesale markets. Some peppers are processed further into sliced, diced, or pre-cut formats catering to food service operations and ready-to-cook meal providers. These products are designed for convenience while maintaining freshness and nutritional value. Packaging plays a crucial role in preserving quality. While plastic films help reduce moisture loss and physical damage, many producers are shifting toward eco-friendly packaging solutions, including recyclable and biodegradable materials to reduce environmental impact. Once packaged bell peppers enter the cold chain system, temperature-controlled storage and refrigerated transportation slow down respiration, extending shelf life, and maintaining crispness, color, and flavor until the peppers reach consumers. From vibrant whole peppers to processed culinary ingredients, each final form reflects a carefully managed journey, one that balances efficiency, quality, and sustainability to meet global demand. Behind every stage of bell pepper production are people whose skills remain irreplaceable. From farmers monitoring soil conditions to workers selecting peppers by hand, human judgment complements automation at every level. Technology enhances efficiency, but experience ensures quality. Producers continue investing in smarter irrigation, AI-driven sorting, and eco-friendly packaging, shaping a future where agriculture meets both consumer expectations and environmental responsibility. From a tiny seed to a vibrant vegetable on your plate, the journey of a bell pepper is a remarkable story of care, precision, and collaboration between humans and technology. Every bell pepper carries the effort of farmers, engineers, inspectors, and logistics teams working together to deliver freshness, flavor, and nutrition across the globe. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of bell pepper production. If you enjoyed this journey, feel free to share your thoughts. Which bell pepper color do you prefer and why? We'll see you in the next story from the world of modern agriculture. Black pepper may look small, but it is one of the most influential spices in the global food industry. By 2024, Vietnam holds around 60% of the world's pepper export market, making it the most important black pepper supplier on Earth. This position did not come from scale alone. It was built through tropical growing conditions, years of farming experience, and a production system that combines traditional field knowledge with modern post-harvest technology. Across Vietnam's pepper-growing regions, rows of climbing vines rise from red basalt soil under warm sunlight and seasonal rain. What begins as a young vine tied to a support pole will, after years of care, become one of the most traded spices in international agriculture. But before pepper reaches restaurants, factories, or home kitchens, it must pass through a long journey of propagation, irrigation, pruning, harvesting, drying, sterilizing, and packaging. This is the full story of Vietnamese black pepper from farm to final product. The cultivation of black pepper begins with propagation. Although pepper can be grown from seed, modern Vietnamese farms more commonly rely on cuttings taken from healthy, productive mother plants. This approach gives farmers better uniformity, faster establishment, and more reliable yields. The cuttings are first nurtured in nursery conditions until the roots are strong enough to survive in the field. Once ready, the young pepper plants are transferred to the plantation. One of the most important developments in modern pepper farming is the vertical pole growing method. Instead of allowing pepper vines to climb on living trees, many farmers now use concrete poles, PVC columns, or reinforced posts wrapped in mesh. This system makes the orchard more organized, reduces competition from support, trees, improves airflow, and allows easier management throughout the life of the vine. The soil must drain well because pepper roots are highly sensitive to waterlogging. Farmers water carefully, especially in the dry season, maintaining steady moisture without saturating the ground. This balance is essential. Too little water slows growth and weakens flowering. Too much water can trigger root rot and wipe out entire sections of a plantation. Nutrition is built gradually. Organic fertilizer is commonly applied to improve soil structure and supply essential nutrients over time. This helps the vines establish strong vegetative growth before entering the reproductive phase. As the plants climb, farmers monitor each pole closely, tying the vines gently when they reach the upper sections. This prevents breakage and keeps the plants growing in the right direction. Pruning is another key task. Without pruning, the canopy becomes dense, humid, and shaded. That reduces photosynthesis and creates conditions where disease can spread more easily. By removing excess branches and unnecessary growth, farmers allow more light and air to enter the vines, helping the plants stay healthy and direct more energy toward fruit production. Pepper is not a short-cycle crop. It usually takes 1 to 3 years before a plantation begins to produce a meaningful harvest. Once flowering begins, the plant enters a much more sensitive phase. From flower to mature peppercorn, the crop typically needs 8 to 10 months. And during this time, every decision on water, sunlight, pruning, and disease control affects the final quality of the spice. Harvesting black pepper is not simply a matter of waiting until everything changes color. Farmers watch the clusters closely and begin harvest when about 5% of the berries turn yellow or red. That specific timing matters because it is the point when oil content is highest, which means stronger aroma, richer flavor, and better processing quality. In most farms, harvesting is still done by hand. Workers move through the plantation and pick each pepper cluster carefully, selecting only those that have reached the right stage. This method is slower, but it gives farmers direct control over quality. Riper clusters can be chosen, immature ones can be left behind, and the vines themselves suffer less damage during the process. Hand harvesting is especially important on smaller farms and in areas where terrain is uneven or the poles are tall. It is physically demanding work and it requires both speed and judgment. If workers harvest too early, the pepper will lack full flavor. If they wait too long, the berries become uneven, and some may drop or split before processing begins. On larger farms, some machines may assist with handling or transporting the harvested crop, but manual picking still remains the preferred method when quality is the top priority. After picking, the clusters are moved quickly to the next stage so they can be threshed, cleaned, and dried before moisture or contamination begins to affect the crop. After harvest, the peppercorns must be separated from the clusters. This can be done manually on small farms, but larger operations often use threshing machines to speed up the work and reduce labor pressure. Once separated, the peppercorns are cleaned to remove leaves, stems, dust, and other field impurities. Drying is one of the most important stages in the entire black pepper chain. Traditionally, pepper is dried under the sun, spread in thin layers and turned regularly to ensure even moisture reduction. This step develops the final color and helps preserve the spice. However, weather-based drying can produce inconsistent results if rain or humidity interferes. When the dried pepper reaches the factory, the quality control process becomes much stricter. The raw material is inspected for microbial contamination and foreign matter. Workers and machines remove unwanted particles, defective peppercorns, and any remaining impurities. If it is being processed into ground black pepper, the material is milled to a controlled particle size depending on market requirements. Every step must protect the spice's bold aroma because once pepper loses that signature fragrance, its commercial value drops sharply. Finally, the finished product is packed into moisture-resistant bags, lined boxes, or export-grade packaging. This protects it during storage and transport, especially in international trade where products may travel for weeks. Vietnamese black pepper is loved around the world, not just because of flavor, but because of the entire system behind it. Every peppercorn carries the work of the farmer, the control of the processor, and the standards of a global market. The next time black pepper appears on your table, it will no longer feel like a simple spice. It will feel like the final result of a long agricultural journey shaped by land, labor, and precision.